It's 11:59 a.m. Yes, I just woke up, which might be pretty sad, but I don't go to sleep until almost 4. So, I'm doing this because I'm hoping that this microphone can pick up what we have to listen to every Saturday at noon. It's pretty loud. We'll see if you can hear it. If it doesn't work, I'll try it on next week without being inside, but it's pretty loud. So I'm hoping you might be able to hear it. But every day at 12 noon, it goes off loudly. So if anybody works nights on Friday, they have to hear this. It should be going off any minute. 12 o'clock usually every day, or every Saturday. Just give it a minute. They might be a minute behind. I'm waiting. It's the outdoor emergency weather alert system for, listen.
Outdoor emergency warning system. This is only a test.
All the dogs are howling in the neighborhood. They know what's coming. Oh. It's the same siren that they'll sound off if there's a tornado. But this is a test every week.
Has been a test of the outdoor emergency warning.
So there it is. Every Saturday. Nice thing to wake up to when you have to sleep in, huh?